if we are gonna reclaim the alpha trend zone, like stay above the alpha trend, it's gonna be exactly the zone. I can see on the weekly setup, Mog Coin is sitting at a critical support zone, just like Bitcoin, right? After making this huge move. This was a bullish engulfing candle on the weekly time frame. And usually when you see a candle like that, it creates another block, right? Sorry, a fair value gap and another block, and price currently is just filling into those gaps that those imbalances that price created when price was moving to the upside. So looking at this now, I would say that we are at a level where price held previously. So if this weak candle is going to hold where we are with more coin, then there's high chances that from here we can continue to mark to the upside or to go to the upside. And now we can go to the daily time frame to see how this is reacting or how price is reacting to that movement to the upside. And you can see clearly price change character here. Came back and retest structure. Yeah, then make this huge move to the upside. I told you guys that price is gonna come to this fair value gap, and the only time you're gonna take this trade is when you see multiple rejection here, and if you see that rejection and Bitcoin is giving you a good flavor, that's when you want to get in like full time, because it's gonna mean that this zone is gonna be the the bottom of this dip, right? If you look at this on a daily time frame, this could be the bottom, and price is gonna be like moving around this area here. And another thing I want you guys to understand or to look at here is this zone here. If we are to stay above this zone, it's gonna be good for more coin, this zone here, right? So if we see price today close above this area here, then it's gonna be good for more coin. In that case, it might mean that we should be going to create the next high base from this movement. For those of you who are like swing traders, sorry, who are like investors, you believe in more coin long term, yeah, you can focus more on the daily setup. The alpha trend has printed a buy signal, yeah, which is good. So if we are gonna reclaim the alpha trend zone, like stay above the alpha trend, it's gonna be exactly the zone I told you that I want to see price stays above it, like this zone. So based on this now, if we see today's candle close above the alpha trend, then it's gonna be real good for more coin long term. Now looking at the target, if say you are just like an investor and you want to just get in and get out at a key level, you're gonna sell more coin around this area here. This zone is gonna be around let me say around 0.107. So if you are buying more coin here, expect some sort of resistance here. So you can cash out some profit here. Then price might drop down a little bit. You buy more, then take it to the upside. So you can just like cash out only the profit that you made. Then you use the profit to buy back again. Keep adding your more coins. That's what I do at times. If say I want to hold that coin for a long time, but at the same time accumulating the coin when it dip to certain key levels. So you can play the same game. So if we see price hold around this area, guys, as I mentioned with my analysis on the daily time frame, then it's a good move to buy. But we don't want to see price take out this level here. That's what we don't want to see. Price should, no matter what price is gonna do, price should stay above this level, maintain this structure. If it breaks this structure, then all of this move here is gonna be invalidated. So this is how I'm gonna approach Mog Coin if I want to trade it today. I'm gonna allow price to play out soon. It's gonna drop down a little bit down here, you know, then want to buy back up there because there's lots of support zones here, or liquidity zones here around this area. Price can easily wick there and then move to the upside. So that's what I'm looking at for more coin.